morning students. Today we are going to learn about famous monuments in India. This is Taj Mahal. It is crown of the palace. It is an ivory white marble mausoleum on the southern bank of the river Yamuna in the Indian city of Agra. It was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan to house the tomb of his favorite wife Mumtaz Mahal. It also houses of the tomb of Shah Jahan himself. This is Golden Temple. This is also known as Sri Darbar Sahib. Meaning is abode of God and exalted court. It is a Gurudwara located in city of Amritsar in Punjab. It is the prominent spiritual site of Sikkim. This is Gateway of India. It is an art monument built in the early 20th century in the city of Mumbai, in the Indian state of Maharashtra. The foundation stone was laid in March 1913 for a monument built in the Indo-Saracenic style. This is Red Fort. The Red Fort is a historic fort in the city of Delhi in India that served as the main residency of the Mughal Emperor. Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan commissioned construction of the Red Fort on an earlier 10th century fort by Anangpal Tomar on 12 May 1638, when he decided to shift his capital from Agra to Delhi. This is Hawa Mahal. It is the Palace of Winds or the Palace of Breeze. Is a palace in Jaipur, India, approximately 300 kilometers from the capital of Delhi, built from red and pink sandstone. This is Lotus Temple. The Lotus Temple located in Delhi, in India. It is a Baha'i house of worship that was dedicated in December 1986, notable for its flower-like shape. Which is the smallest state in India? Answer is Goa. When did the Republic Day celebration? The answer is 26th January. How many number of states in India? Answer is 29. What is Pink City of India? The answer is Jaipur. Which is the longest river in India? The answer is Ganga. Who is the Prime Minister of India? The answer is Mr. Narendra Modi. Who is the President of India? Answer is Mr. Ramnath Kovind. Thank you, students.